Now it's time to look at the newspapers for you once again. Starts off with the latest from London. Here's our press reviewer, Diptyka Laurent.
There's only one story really dominating the British dailies today, that is Boris Johnson's health. The COVID-19 stricken Prime Minister was admitted to the intensive care unit on Monday evening, but the tabloid The Sun says he's conscious and breathing on his own. The Times of London, meanwhile, says he'd been moved there as a precaution after a, quote, rapid deterioration in his condition. The paper cites a hospital source as saying that the Prime Minister needed 4 litres of oxygen, well below the threshold for patients normally admitted to the unit. In the US, the state of New York has been the epicenter of the coronavirus crisis, with about 5,000 deaths, and half of that coming from New York City itself. Mayor Bill de Blasio said on Monday that his office is considering temporarily burying the dead on a Bronx island, but that is only in case city and hospital morgues fill up. The mayor also dispelled rumors of burials in public parks. Here in France, Le Monde is looking at the possibility of cell phone tracking of COVID-19 patients. The app, which could be developed, would allow authorities to know who patients have been exposed to. While not opposed to the idea, France's leading rights group does call for strict vigilance. Finally, New Zealand's Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern has reassured anxious kids stuck at home this Easter. She's added the Easter Bunny to the country's list of essential workers, and for good measure thrown in the Tooth Fairy as well, ensuring that both will report for duty despite confinement measures.
Much relief there for the children of New Zealand. Hope it applies worldwide as well.